2 million memories. 2 million moments. Slovenia is the only country in the world with love in its name. How do you feel Slovenia? With your help, we have shown Slovenia to the world. In 2018, the Slovenian Tourist Board launched the digital campaign 2 Million Reasons Why We Feel Slovenia. The aim was to promote less-known destinations and encourage people to visit also off-season. The goal was to collect 2 million posts with the ifeelsLOVEnia hashtag, which equals the number of inhabitants in Slovenia. The idea was to motivate locals as well as visitors from abroad to share their favorite spots and hidden corners in 4 different seasons and across all Slovenia. A multi-platform campaign was designed by the Slovenian Tourist Board team. It took place on Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, in weekly newsletters, and on Slovenia.info website. A special visual identity was created for the campaign. Ready-to-share visuals were then provided to destinations for their social media channels. And by December 2019, the goal was achieved. 2 million photos with ifeelsLOVEnia hashtag were shared online. 200 million people from around the world were reached. On average, 3,000 posts per day with ifeelsLOVEnia hashtag were published. 147 best user photos were awarded. Hidden corners from 34 destinations across Slovenia were highlighted. 19 Slovenian media publishers supported the campaign. 25,000 users visited the campaign landing pages. The campaign was a major success. This is how user-generated content and a genuine, personalized communication strategy can create a remarkable social media story.